In this video, we're going to take a look at how to place holds online through the library's catalog. We're currently offering curbside pickup Mondays through Fridays from 11 to 4. The first thing you need to do is get logged in using your library card number and password. Your password should be the last 4 digits of your card number, but if that's not working, you can give us a call and we can reset that for you. Once you're logged in, it's just a matter of finding something you'd like to check out. You can either browse through some of the latest and greatest at the library or search for a particular book. Once you find something you'd like to borrow, you can click on the Reserve This Item button in the top left, choose how you'd like to be notified, either email, text, or a phone call, and the book is now on hold for you. Once you get the notification saying it's ready for pickup, you can come by the library and park out front, give us a call, and we'll come run out your items for you. You can also look at the items you currently have on reserve by going to My Account and Reserves and Requests.